What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Heavy Rotation channel. It's your man DJ Pyro here, and we're about to do another mod. So we went to Cars and Coffee earlier today, and it was, it was raining, so it wasn't a whole lot of people there, but it was fun nonetheless. But anyway, back to the video. So today we're going to add some color by using this right here. I got this one off of eBay. It was the only place that I could find the purple. It is the shinier purple, which I really did not want. I wanted more of a matte finish, but it was the only one that I could find. And I don't think this is actually going to be enough to do all of what I need to do, so I'm actually going to probably have to order another roll. I paid, I think, $7 for this, and it also came with a tool. But right now we're just gonna go ahead and install it on the door. Literally all you do is just press it and it goes on. So let's get into it. So we're just gonna roll some of it out here, and it says just to press it in. So let's see. Oh wow, that just goes right in there. Nope, it's not. Guess I need to press it in. There we go. And you kind of just press it in. So the spots where it's kind of hard to get into, you just need to, kind of press the bottom or the top, and it'll open it up enough for you to slide it in there. This door done. I'm not sure if I want to tuck it into here or if I just want to come all the way down here and go up. So that's going to be something that I need to figure out. But as you can see, this is the general idea of how you do it, which is fairly easy. You literally just press it in and it goes right in there, and I mean, it doesn't appear to be coming out. But I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of it, and then I will show you a before and after, so that way you can see the change that it makes. And I'm definitely going to have to order some more of the trim, because there's no way that I'm going to be able to do both doors and do the gauge cluster and the center console. So I guess this video will not be completed today, but I will have it done sometime within the next 2 weeks. Okay, so let me just give you a closer look of what we've got. And this is what it looks like. Mr. 12 a.m. around the air vents, and then my center, and I just have this door left, and I think that's all that I'm going to do. I was trying to do this portion, but it was a little bit harder than I thought it was going to be, so we'll see if I have some left over, I'll try to go back and do that portion, or I might just do all the rest of my air vents. I'm not quite sure yet, but this is the part I really like. I have to figure out a way to get it down into these corners right here. This stuff is really hard to push down, like in the corners, so you do need to use the pry tool, but the pry tool doesn't really bend the way I need it to, so it was hard to get it in there. But for right now, you can't really see it, so I'm just going to leave it this way. But this part, I definitely had to use the pry tool to spread it apart, just to press it down some more. I still need to press a tad bit harder, but other than that, I think it looks pretty nice. And I think that's all. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I will put the link to purchase down in the description, and I hope that you enjoyed it. DJ Pyro signing out for the Heavy Rotation channel.